Hello everyone, welcome, and in this video I will teach you how to make ElevenLabs Whisper. So let's just do that. So for this you're going to be changing your audio to something which supports whispering, and how you can do it, simply head over to your voices and search in here for whisper just like this. And you can see we have this audio at the first place.
Swimming is like flying through a gentle, watery world. Swimming is like
And you can see now it is whispering. You can simply add it to your collection, add to your voices, and once you do, you can see you can head over to your text to speech option, and in here you can select that particular language that you just selected. If you do not have it showing in here, what you can do is simply head over to your voices, and from there you can see you have your my voices section. Make sure to remove any of these voice. So let me just remove this one and hold on a bit. Now we can go to explore section and add a whisper audio. Click on this plus icon and now it is added. You can see Sable, and this is now workable. Now we can enter in here any text. So this is how you can make the sound whispering. Pretty cool, right? Alright, so this is our text. We're going to be selecting that whispering audio. So its name was Sable, and here it is.
swimming is like
And you can see once we play it after generating.
So this is how you can make the sound whispering pretty cool, right?
So I hope you help it by yourself and doing. You can see pretty cool, and see you in the next video.